Hi, welcome to Ehler's Chiropractic Center. I'm Dr. Ehlers. This short video will give you an idea on what we provide in our office and what chiropractic actually is. Based on the scientific fact that your nervous system controls the function of every cell, tissue, and organ in your body, bending, lifting, and turning depend on proper function of your nervous system as well, as does breathing, eating, or fighting off an infection or cold. The human body is controlled by the brain, which uses the spinal cord to send and receive nerve impulses. The spinal cord is about 18 inches long, extending from the base of the brain down to the waist. The skull protects the brain from injury. The spine protects the spinal cord in the same way. Pairs of nerves branch off in between the bones of the spine, allowing the organs and other tissues to receive and send back information vital to our well-being. These movable spinal bones can become misaligned from a wide variety of internal and external factors. When this happens, it is referred to as a subluxation. The misaligned spine puts pressure on the nerve and will either increase or reduce the impulse affecting the body's feedback system. Now, before we begin to examine the severity of your condition, a thorough scan of the spine is the first step in our office. This will indicate areas where the nerve impulses are being affected from misaligned spinal bones. Each level of the spine controls certain functions of our body. It is important for our longevity to have little irritation as possible to our nerves so that they can properly control every part of our body, whether passive or active. Depending on the extent of your problem, or if results are not achieved in a reasonable amount of time, further studies including x-rays, MRIs, or CAT scan can be ordered. 95% of the time, the problems presented in my office require no further studies. X-rays are helpful by classifying which stage of degeneration your spine is in. Everyone undergoes a term called degenerative disc disease and will experience some sort of spinal problem from this. Radiating arm pain, sciatica, all are byproducts of the spine slowly deteriorating. But there is hope. By moving the spine into the right place, chiropractors can help reduce the amount and severity of your spine from wearing down and also balance the nerve impulse to normal levels. Without proper care, your bones will deteriorate at a rapid rate, causing more problems later. After your scan is completed, the next step in the healing process is to relax the body by placing you on one of our hydrotherapy beds. These hydrotherapy beds utilize strategically located jets that gently relax the spinal muscles. After a couple of minutes, one of our certified massage therapists will take you into a room for a more site-specific massage. Before I come in to meet you, I will have reviewed your information and areas of complaints. When I see you, I'll ask you specific questions relating to the problem. Now, these questions will help me to find out what is either aggravating or continuing the problem that you have. Over the last couple of years of practice, I have developed a keen sense of what causes most of our daily irritations and how to fix them. A range of motion study will be performed to help pinpoint which levels of the spine are not moving properly and causing nerve irritation. After finding these misaligned spinal bones, the next step is to start correcting them. The first adjustment is very gentle. Everything I do will be explained before it is done. The table has the ability to assist in the adjustment by dropping down. This gently will push the pelvis or other part of the spine into position by allowing gravity to help out with the quick motion. The activator can be used to deliver a precise and measurable force to slightly move the spine or bone in position. Most of the time, however, I prefer to use my hands to adjust. I analyze the whole spine, not only the area complaint. This ensures that everything is able to function at 100%. The arms, wrists, shoulders, ankles, and knees are just as important to adjust. I have helped numerous people with either frozen shoulder syndrome, carpal tunnel syndrome, plantar fasciitis, meniscus problems, or else what is referred to as tendinitis. We have many types of therapies available to assist you in recovery and healing. We have interferential current, commonly known and referred to as muscle stim. It can help relax the muscles and reduce swelling. Ultrasound can be used to accelerate tissue healing and increase the blood flow, which will end up reducing your pain by releasing more nerve-blocking chemicals. Another advantage the office has to offer is cold laser therapy, which has been FDA approved for soft tissue injury and reducing pain. The photons from the light increase the cell's metabolism to create new and healthier cells, which results in faster healing time and reduced pain. On your second visit, I will inform you how quickly you should start noticing results. Once we return your spine to a healthy state, your overall well-being will greatly improve. Invest in your spine. It's the only one you have, and together we can make it last a lifetime.